Hello and welcome to the Sunday Sew, episode 5. And here we're going to look at some newer accounts and work our way up to a really grand account. So first off, he's got Robert Nomman, who's asking if we're looking for ad inspiration, and he's found some great websites here. Look at the winning ads from various places. It's quite a treasure trove inside these free websites. Mario Roberts has got a great thread here about understanding marketing and 10 accounts you could follow. So it's a thread of threads that Mario's put together here, and some really, really useful stuff for some very cool people. Dan Samuels, this is something I haven't done an awful lot of. I've done it some recently and found it quite beneficial. It's talking about journaling, the 5-minute journal, and you can find out all about that from Dan here. It's a very, very, very interesting thread, how he goes through his morning routine and his evening routine. Sam Williams is up next. At 21, he was ruled by fear, and at 27, he's exercising. He's essentially changed his life around, and here's the 19 rules that helped him to do that and that you can adopt too. Last one for this Sunday Sew is Eddie Quan, fantastic copywriter and email marketer. And as he says here, you don't need to spend $3,000 on social media coaching to get thousands of Twitter followers. Eddie Quan, if you're not familiar with him, is well worth paying attention to and following. That's it for this Sunday Sew. Thanks very much for joining me. I hope you find something useful that will help you on your Twitter journey. I'm Ed Kirwan from the Sunday Sew, and I will see you, I hope, next week.